Hi, I'm John from Autel. We're at SEMA 2023 looking at some of our newer products. This is the ITS600 TPMS platform. And what we've done with this tool is combine not only the best TPMS coverage in the industry, along with basic diagnostics and service bay tests. So it's really three tools in one, where we're combining TPMS, service, and diagnostics into one unit. We're also giving technicians the added benefit of a wireless connection to the vehicle's diagnostic port and the ability to auto-VIN detect the vehicle so we get the right application every time. Just speaking specifically about the TS900, this is Autel's entry-level TPMS diagnostic and service function tool. So really this is three tools in one, offering all three of those capabilities, along with more advanced diagnostics and bidirectional controls. So this makes for an amazing first investment for a technician or for a shop that's performing tire service as well as basic diagnostics and emissions-related repairs. For more information about any of our tools and products, call your local Myers Tire Supply sales representative or visit us at autel.com for more information.